I'm here today to show you a little bit about how to change the batteries on your thermostat. I got two different thermostats here to show you. These are both Honeywell thermostats. Those are the thermostats we primarily use, but we got two thermostats here. The batteries, you got to always remember, the batteries are always on the back side of the thermostat, okay? So when you're getting ready to change your thermostat batteries, you want to know, hey, they're on the back side of the thermostat, but how do we get to them? Why do we change our batteries? Normally we change our batteries because it will say on the front, replaced batteries, okay? Or there'll be a light saying low battery. So on this thermostat here, we want to pull this off the wall, and we just pull off the bottom, and then the batteries are on the back side, this style thermostat, there's also a little door, a little pocket door that we could pull the batteries out without taking the thermostat off the wall, this style right here. Okay, so we have a little door here. We can put new batteries in. A little bit about this thermostat here. When you're pulling the thermostat off the wall, you always got to remember you just want to pull from the bottom. Okay, so you want to pull from the bottom, and it pulls out. Again, batteries are on the back side. Batteries on the back side. Change the batteries out. When you're putting the thermostats back on the wall, you don't want to push if they don't feel like they're lining up. You don't want to push really hard, because there is a set of pins on the back. Both these thermostats have small pins on the back side of them, and you don't want to bend those or pinch them so where they don't line up. You'll feel the thermostat pop right in. So on this thermostat here, we just want to line it up from the top, give it a snap. Same thing with this thermostat here. We just want to take it when we put it on the wall, and again, you put it on the bottom and you snap in the top. So that's just a little bit of how you change the batteries on your thermostat. Always remember they're on the back side, so we just have to get that thermostat off the wall. Don't use a screwdriver or anything. Just pull from the bottom up. It should snap right off. Change out those batteries, put it back on, and you should be good to go.